Hello friends, good evening. Today I am coming up with something new related to project and task. So we are exploring Odoo version 17 on my local host, where I have installed few of the useful modules from Odoo Community Association library related to project and task. So we are going to discuss about adding project purchase link on the project status, then project task description template, how we can use task description template into task, and we can easily reuse those template again and again while creation of task in a standard manner. Then we will see the project task recurrency, how we can create a task recurrency from sales order, or how we can plan that. So let's see one by one. So first we will see project purchase link. So when we are using any project in Odoo version 17, this particular purchase and purchase total are not visible in version 17. But with that module, now I can access this. How we can use that? So to do that, what we need only one analytic account, which is here to be used in my purchase order. So if I am making any purchase from here, from any vendor with any particular product or services, I will be using this particular analytic account inside my project. So over analytic line, so let me find what is that. So SO21 is my project. So if I go to SO21, it will be coming here, and then I am making a purchase worth 100 AED. So whenever I am going back, I can see my purchase are linked with the amount over here. So now with this way you can attach your purchase order and then your bill also. Okay, so billing control policy I need to change for this, but this is how we can connect our purchase order and vendor bill inside my project status on the header part inside Odoo version 17. So that's the use of this particular module, project purchase link, which is available free under our OCA project library. So entire project library has many modules. Let's see some more. Now project task description template. So inside Odoo, when we go to task, now this particular template will be introduced over here. So whenever you are creating any new task and you want to readily use a template which is predefined in your library, you can easily copy paste it. How we can create that? So on configuration, we have task description template over here, and then if I want to reuse any of the ready story to take on, to give it to my developer team or my team who is working on that task, then whenever I am creating any task anywhere inside Odoo, then I can reuse that description and it will copy paste very easily over here. So that's how you can create a new task with description over here, and then you can easily add all the description one by one with this way. So that's how it is very easy and handy to use this particular description ready-made from a template. So that's the use of this second module. Third module is sales project task recurrency. Now when I am creating any new product, let's say recur 2 is my product, and then the type is service, it is based on prepaid fix, and then I want to create project and task, and then this option will be visible, like recurring will be 2 days forever or until, let's say, end of this year, okay, or I said repeat every 2 weeks until 31st, or let's say monthly once. So let me check, one every week until 31st December. So whenever I am selling this recur 2 inside my sales order to any customer, let's say I am selling 10 hours at the rate of 10 and I confirm. So for the very first time a task will be created, okay, and the recurrence period will be automatically set over here. You see, now based on Odoo's default feature, okay, if I am done with this task, Odoo will automatically create the second task. You can see the second task will be created automatically, recur 2, after a week of time. You see, 3rd March is the date. Now if I also done with this task, Odoo will create the third task automatically based on the recurrence. You see, by 10th March. So this is how you can create the recurrence from your quotation level. So that's how this free module will help you a lot to define your recurrence on the service type product, and then you can set a frequency within your service type product, and then it will create recurrent task based on your selection over here. So you don't need to go to task level and then create recurrence, but in your service type product only you can create this type of recurrency. So that's how these 3 modules are really useful for our daily routine in terms of project and service level. So hope this will help many people to set up their workflow with this free module from our own Odoo Community Association OCA library. Thank you guys.